in terms of practicing, obviously, is the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. It's
Okay.
just a case with the speaking, really listening to lots of things in English for word order, for vocab, for different words. Do you listen to anything in English at the moment?
Okay.
What do you listen to in English now?
Uh, I am not listening.
So if you listen to things such as like radio, TV, film, podcasts, all of these are really good.
Yeah, I see in books and mostly mobiles. I am
Ah,
not and I am not interested in film.
okay.
I have interest in books.
In reading, right. And how about the radio? Do you like listening to the radio?
What?
Do you like listening to the radio?
Yes.
Right, so that would be very good as well for improving your English. And what's the reason for you wanting to improve your English?
Yeah, I am going to foreign USA like in English to
Okay.
speak mostly.
Okay.
So give me some suggestions and tips.
Well, I'm listening to
How
your
to
English and I'm thinking actually you're quite good because you're understanding everything I'm saying and I'm understanding everything you're saying. So that's a very good starting point. Your accent is very good. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And also the speed of your speech. When you speak nice and slowly and nice and clearly. And that's a huge advantage. Okay.
Okay.
Reading. I say this to everybody. The most important thing for increasing your vocabulary and improving your grammar is reading. Okay.
Okay.
To improve your speech, the most important thing is to talk. Talk as much as you can and listen as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay. I will send you a link. Have you seen, I will send you this website, a website called Engu.
Okay.
This is fantastic for very short news articles with very good questions, and it gives you a good opportunity for discussion.
Okay.
Okay. I will send you another link. This is a documentary series about, it's about Scotland, but
Give me some advices how to improve my English, speaking English.
Um,
It is the question everyone will ask you.
no, why?
Okay, tell me how to improve my English.
Oh, okay. Yes, but I didn't get the
In,
last
in,
part.
in different states, in different countries, pronunciation is different. Yeah, right?
Yes. It all
Yeah.
it all depends obviously on the accent that you want to have is very different American from British. What I recommend is finding a program that you really like
Okay.
that is short, not long. And when you watch this program, when they say something, you repeat it. So each
Okay.
time they say something, you repeat the words and you watch it like more than once until you understand everything. And then
Okay.
that will help you. Also, here on Cambly, ask, as many questions as you want about reading as well here on Cambly, like reading to the teacher and that they can hear your pronunciation, that they can hear, to help you with certain vocabulary. I find that also helps.
Okay.
And then, the lessons on here are quite good as well if you want sort of basic, the foods you like, the business meetings, like obviously there's meetings here, and just ask questions all the time, because here on Cambly, it's a safe space, so you don't have to feel uncomfortable about asking questions or anything because that's why we're here to help. so that when you do go out and talk to other people, you know, you don't have to worry about what they think or they say, or it doesn't matter because you're already confident in yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And